This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India has accomplished an unprecedented feat when a record number of vaccine doses were administered to over 86 lakh people in a single day. Addressing the nation through his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio yesterday, Modi said the country achieved this feat on 21st June, when the next phase of vaccination campaign commenced. Modi stressed that efforts must continue to ensure that every citizen is able to avail the safety that the vaccine provides. He encouraged people to end vaccine hesitancy. He pointed out that myriad organizations and members of civil society have come forward in many places in order to end vaccine hesitancy. Cautioning against exercising any form of laxity, the Prime Minister called for focusing on vaccination and following COVID-19 protocols. The E-Committee of the Supreme Court of India has taken several initiatives to make Indian Judicial System more accessible to the persons with disabilities. In coordination with all the high courts, the E-Commerce has now ensured that visual captures are accompanied by text and audio captures, making the website content accessible to the visually challenged. These captures provide access to judgments, orders, cause lists, and help in checking the status of court cases. Another significant initiative undertaken by the E-Committee in collaboration with NIC is creating a judgment search portal accessible to persons with disabilities. In Manipur, 669 persons, including 6 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. These cases were detected among the 5,185 samples tested for COVID-19, and the positivity rate is 12.9%. On the other hand, 16 people expired due to COVID-19 positivity, thus increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic to 1,124. Meanwhile, 509 COVID-19 patients were discharged. The total number of recovered cases is 61,038 and the total positive cases 67,986. The recovery rate is 89.78%. The active case stands at 5,824. In Meghalaya, the construction of building to set up the oxygen generation plant in Nongstoin, the district headquarters of West Khasi Hills district, is expected to be completed this month. The building is being constructed near Nongstoin Civil Hospital. Speaking to media, the medical superintendent of Nongstoin Civil Hospital, Dr. J. Kharkongor, said the plant, which is expected to produce 150 liters of oxygen per minute, is to meet the emergency need of the people of the district, which is hard hit by COVID-19 pandemic. Over 90% of COVID-19 cases reported in Meghalaya are of Delta variant, the state government has admitted. Meghalaya Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, Sampath Kumar, said that more than 90% of COVID-19 cases detected in Meghalaya as per genome sequencing samples are of Delta variant, which should in itself be the reason for caution, and extra precaution should be taken by everyone to safeguard themselves and their loved ones. And Meghalaya reported 2 COVID-19 related deaths in the last 24 hours, tallying the total fatalities to 819. The Directorate of Health Services informed in a statement that the state also yesterday recorded 462 fresh COVID-19 cases, bringing the total active cases to 4,558. The state reported 570 recoveries, adding the recovered cases to 43,070. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.